What's good, gang? It's lorShift here, back at it again with another banger video, of course, on this fine, lovely Wednesday afternoon. As y'all can see, we got my baby with no hood. Charger RT, man, 2019 Dodge Charger RT, no hood. We're gonna be driving through the hood with no hood. I done said hood like 5 times in 1 second. But nah, for real. So this about to be a banger ass video. Make sure y'all smash that like button. Subscribe if you're new. You know, and stay tuned to the end, y'all. We're gonna turn y'all up. So as y'all can see, 5.7 liters is completely stock. Nothing done to it. You know, we got the sticker there for 10 plus horsepower, but that's about it. We got a little air filter swap to K&N. That's about it. It don't really do nothing but make the car breathe a little better. But as y'all see, man, we got that thing looking sexy as fuck. Hardest RT out, man. But I ain't gonna do too much talking. We're gonna get straight to the video. So once again, smash that like button. Stay tuned to the end. And subscribe. We close to 10K. We almost at 10,000 subscribers. But yeah, y'all, let's get it. Let's get to this drive. Hop on in this bad little bitch. Feel me? No hood type shit. Windows down. I'm gonna give y'all a little rev. Yes, sir, man. We outside. For sure. So once again, almost at that 10 ball. We had like 9.3. Turn me up. I need a couple hundred more. Hopefully this gonna get me there. Let's get it, y'all. On my Detroit shit. No hood. No hood, nigga. Let's get it. Alright, y'all. As y'all see, we in the hood with it. With no hood. You guys want to know what I did to the exhaust? Mid muffler delete and resonator delete. But yeah, y'all. Oh, it's one thing I forgot to do, man. Go in that track mode. What am I doing, man? I'm fucking up already. Track mode. Track mode with no hood. In the hood. Damn, my brakes sound crazy. What the fuck? I just changed these bitches. Yo, if you get this car, man, be prepared to go through brakes like fast as fuck. That's crazy. I literally just changed them. I ain't gonna lie. It feels so weird. Like, I feel like I got a flat hood. Like, I feel like a V6. I feel like I'm in a V6 RT trim. Like, it's so weird. It reminds me of my last car with the Infinity I had. No fucking hood. Getting ready to go under this tunnel. I'm at this little bridge. No hood. Fucking my shit up, bro. Come on. Move that shit, bro. Fuck. 12. It's another thing we gotta watch out for is the cops. Nah, you can hear the intake on this bitch. This shit's crazy. Fuck. Oh my god. This gotta be one of the loudest RTs, man. This bitch sound crazy. No headers. Just a mid muffler delete and resonator delete. That's it. Nothing else done to the car. I ain't do shit to this motherfucker. But look, let me show you. Oh my god. We're gonna bust the left right here. Go through the city a little bit, give y'all some city action. Damn. Potholes fucking me up. Be careful, niggas probably be flying through this shit. Oh, oh, oh! Alright, we gotta go in the hood. Like, we not here for the city. Like, we got no hood, we gotta go in the hood. my goodness. Oh my goodness. Can we make a left right here? Oh shit, bro, these potholes is lethal. Oh shit, we got 12. We got a cop in front of us. Is he gonna turn around? Fuck no. Let me know if y'all want me to come back and do a little city POV. I'm gonna try to get out of here as fast as I can though, because this is specifically supposed to be a fucking hood POV. With no hood. But it's still gonna be a hard ass video. As y'all see, still gonna be a banger ass video. I don't know who the fuck that nigga is. But fuck him, we about to just do a donut right in the middle of this motherfucker. It's like, nah. Alright, we good. We can make a left. We'll be right in the hood. Right back where we belong. I mean, right. Yo, that sounded crazy. Not right back where we belong, but right back where we need to go for this video. We trying to make it out the hood. And by the way, if you watching this, this is nothing but motivational purposes only. I ain't doing this just to, you know, do it and shit. I know how niggas gonna feel, you flexing this and that, this and that. It's just for motivational purposes only. I was that one kid in the hood watching not RTs, but Chargers and fucking them old 2013 Hemis and shit go by. I was looking at them motherfuckers like, damn, I hope one day I get one of them bitches. Hurry up, faggot, move. Oh my God. Got old head over there scrambling. He like, what the fuck is that? That bitch hard. Look at it. Y'all saw him shake his head. Look. Old head like, what the fuck is that? That nigga's car is off a perk. It's only a 5.7. Like, oh shit, we got 12. He about to pull me over. Hold on, y'all. All right, we good. We good. He right there. I know y'all see that nigga. Fuck 12 though. We don't bang with 12, y'all. Fuck them. There we go. Yo, I hope it don't rain. If it rains, I'm fucked. My engine's blowing up. We in the hood though. This shit sound like y'all ever watch that nigga Vontae 1K? His red eye, that bitch. This shit low-key kinda sound like that. Oh, they busting off fireworks. Oh yeah. We outside, man. Outside in the trench with it. I wish I had a supercharger on this bitch, bro. If I had a supercharger on this car, bro. Oh my God, I swear to God I have 100K subscribers. Word. If you tapped in, stay tapped in by turning on post notifications. Once again, smash that subscribe button. We just gonna continue to turn y'all up. I'm gonna try to get y'all a good angle. Oh shit! The fuck? Nigga, they busting at my car. Nah, I need to get the fuck out of here. I forgot 4th of July was yesterday, so they out here still busting their fireworks. I need to get the fuck up out of here. Oh my God. We're gonna make a right here once this light turns green. If you guys are wondering where I got my paddle shifters from, go tap in with Grid Ready. I'm gonna put their link in the description below. Also, follow me on Instagram, 345.lorShift. It's my car page. So go follow that for sure. And you'll see this in my you'll see the owners to these paddle shifters in my description or in my bio shit. You know what the fuck I'm talking about. So once again, we got that hood. I'm gonna try to drive a little bit holding the camera up like that, but it's kind of hard because I don't want my phone to fly off. So, but I'm gonna try to drive like that, like with the camera outside of the car. But I'm gonna hold y'all at a good angle too. If this fucking light turns green, we'll be able to fucking go. Hopefully cops don't try to dick eat, bro. I don't feel like dealing with that shit. Oh, your windows are tinted. Okay. I'm not taking it off. The fuck? I got pulled over from my tinted window. I got pulled over like probably like 5 times. I'm not taking this shit off. I do need to get a waiver though. I ain't gonna lie. I'm bullshitting, but it's whatever. Bro, this light is literally blowing my shit. What the fuck? Is he cool? Nah, that's not a real human, y'all. That nigga's not real. Bro's in the middle of the street. He looks like he doesn't even know where the fuck he's at. Alright, here we go. That Beamer wanted smoke. Why does shit sound like that? Alright, y'all, we back. Yo, my engine probably getting dirty as fuck. With no hood. Should I go straight? I know that cop was over there. Fuck it, I'm gonna go straight for y'all. Look, these potholes is lethal. Look. Fuck, almost hit one. Nah, that's not. Yo. Niggas don't be real. Oh shit, there go the cop right down there. Fuck. He can't come this way anyways. I don't care. But I think I gotta pass him again. He over there lurking too. Look at him. Down there lurking. Bust a left. Drive through the city just to get to another part of the hood. Drive through the city just to get to another part of the hood. Fucking God. Got motherfuckers thinking it's a cat. Oh my mom, this bitch sound crazy. Word. Oh shit. They on my ass. I'm about to get arrested. Fuck. I know y'all heard that. Look, he about to speed by. Damn, broke the fuck out of that nigga neck. He like, what the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? It's a very, very dark area. I'm about to bang out. Driving through the hood in my hellcat. It's like, nah. It's a 5.7. I don't think I'm in the hood anymore. Let me get the fuck up out of here, because this shit look like a different place. I don't fucking know. Some other than the hood. It's a lot of trees. It's giving me fucking jungle vibes. Get the fuck up out of this motherfucker. Oh my God. I'm getting pulled over. Damn. Doing. Should I fishtail y'all? Should I spin this bitch? Fuck it. It's like, nah, I ain't spinning it. Alright, let me give y'all a little pull real quick in track mode, no hood. Golly, bro. We on our way to another part of my city. Damn, nigga got no plate. That's how you know we in the fucking hood. Well, his plate's in his fucking back window, but couldn't just screw that bitch on, nigga. God, y'all. Why is this pushing like that? Oh my God. farting. This bitch farting. Oh my God. Oh my God. This bitch farting. Oh Lord. Bust it right. Bust it right real quick. Let me know if y'all want a part 2 to this bitch. I got y'all. We are in the hood right now, as y'all can see by this little ass store. The Poppy store, as they call it. Nah, we gonna go straight. I'm bullshitting. We gonna go straight. Got the sit go. Trying to hurry up and go. Maybe that's where I should take my thumbnail at that sit go. What y'all think? I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take my thumbnail there. I'm gonna go back and then I'm gonna end the video. Gonna bust a left right here. Damn, look at my miles per gallon, nigga. 9.9. This bitch is struggling. I ain't never been that low. If y'all watch all my videos, I've never been under 10. Like, under 12, to be honest. But from driving it like this, at this point, I don't give a fuck. You only live once at this point. Just fucking keep staying in track mode and just burning this motherfucker. Hitting the gas. Alright, that was my last pull for y'all. I'm gonna end the video right here. Take my little thumbnail. Hopefully I don't scrape going up this bitch. Oh. I hate having a lowered car, but I love it at the same time, y'all. But if you go low on your Charger, just be prepared to break your fucking bumper, your fucking lid. Let me know if y'all want a part 2. I'm gonna take my thumbnail real quick. Let me know if y'all want a part 2 to this, and I'm gonna give y'all a part 2. And I ain't gonna lie, I'm thinking about doing like a part 2 of all the scats and shit. Like all my peoples. If y'all know who I hang with, y'all know what scats gonna be in the video. But let me know if y'all want me to drop again, and I'm gonna for sure take off all the hoods on all the scats and shit like that, and then do another video for y'all, either in the hood or on the highway. I low-key want to do one on the highway too, so stay tuned. But appreciate y'all for staying tuned to the end. Smash that subscribe button, like and comment all fire emojis. We close to 10K, man. Hopefully that's the last video I need to post before I hit 10K. But appreciate y'all for staying. I'm gonna show y'all the hood once again, or the no hood Charger RT once again. As y'all see, we got this sticker for extra 10 horsepower, as I stated in the beginning of the video. And then ain't nothing else done to it. That's about it. Completely stock 2019 Dodge Charger RT. I gotta show y'all that ass though. Hold on, before I end the video, I gotta show y'all that ass. I gotta get my tail lights retinted because I ended up taking the tint off. I don't know why. It was kind of fucked up actually, like because I did it myself and it was fucked up. So I gotta get them retinted. But other than that, this bitch right, I ain't gonna lie. Appreciate y'all for staying to the end, man. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video. It's lorShift. We out.